Guys, welcome back to the channel. We are doing another dual disc clutch install. We've already got the drive shaft removed. We are currently working to get some parts out of the way. So guys, we disconnected this one wiring harness right here. Are we live too?
Yeah.
Got any viewers on there?
5.
So on the last truck it was really tight and it wouldn't hardly come out. This truck here's got less miles on it, doesn't here come out pretty easily. And so we're going to be able to disconnect that. We won't have to take this whole wiring harness loose. We'll just take it loose right here, pull it over out of the way. We'll be in a lot better shape. I need the little tool for taking these push pins out. And you said the funny pliers are down here, the small ones?
You need these instead?
No, that'll be fine. I just need them other deals there. And that socket, the one you need up there in the cab, that inverted torque. This is the one for up inside, inverted torque.
I got one.
Is that the one you need? Is that the one you used up there?
Oh yeah.
We'll set it back up there.
I don't know what.
It was on that ratchet probably. And if y'all can tell, guys, this customer has had all these, had it undercoated, Line X or whatever. Real good thing to do. That's going to protect the truck. He's planning on keeping it for a long time, and he's pulling the trailer all the time, so this is going to be the best thing for him right here.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star.
And then we pop these out there straight.
Where is it now?
See that one's here. I'm gonna pull these three here out. Find it, babe?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see. Get a pair of side cutters. It should come here. And like y'all have heard me say in the past, guys, you're still live. This truck has options that other trucks don't have, or you might say this truck now has fewer options than what some other trucks have. So on some trucks, all these connectors need to be put on, but different models are different ways. Just like buying like the Dodge would be like a Laramie Bighorn. You know, this is got a real good package inside, but underneath there's not quite as many parts as some other trucks. So we don't really need all these wiring harnesses, so we don't have nowhere for them to plug up. Let's see, that thing might pull off the top of the frame rail right here. Right there somewhere. Right there it is. So like I said, guys, you know, you're out in California, they have different emission rules and laws, and you're gonna need these extra hoses and things, but we won't need them here. That can stay with the cross member. We don't need them where we're at, and the truck doesn't have that stuff on it, so ain't no sense of carrying extra load. Alright, so that's out of the way. Now we're back to being a normal truck, guys. Let's see, we're going to tie this up. Over here. Might stay right there pretty good for now. Alright, you want to get that front drive shaft? I'm going to start getting the bell housing bolts out.
Is there a grease zerk on this front drive shaft?
Probably not.
No, it's sealed. It's under my
And that's something I fussed with Ford about too, is on the axle joints and these. Because the Dodges are notorious for throwing them out, and you can't grease them. And I argued and fussed with Ford when I worked for them, and they said sealed is better. So that's a difference of opinion, I guess. Now I need the mid deep 15. Where's it at?
This one?
Yep, right there.
Come on now.
Can you use a short one?
Yeah, I can use short one.
Use that short one. All right, sweetie, I need that big long drive shaft socket. Well, these two on the bracket. These are on the bracket holding it up. No, they weren't.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try.
Right in there? Yeah. It is weird trying to get that unless it says front drive shaft on it.
Made me wonder if somebody replaced it with concrete.
But it's a Chrysler drive shaft.
Yeah, it's low miles. I wouldn't have thought it already.
You could have. I think one had about 125,000 on that green dot. Yeah, joint pressure. And it was $100 for the rebuild kit and $125 for a whole drive kit. I said, so it's $100 for the rebuild kit, $25 or $30 for that U-joint, and you're already buy the whole drive kit. I said, it's no brainer. Is that the last one? We got one more. One more. So win. So anyway, guys, we're installing 3250 South Bend dual disc with a hydraulic upgrade. And he's pulling a gooseneck dump trailer. Is it 14, 16 foot? 16 foot trailer. And the truck's been working out real good, and now that it's dropped a few pounds, it doesn't like the trailer behind it with this factory clutch, so we're gonna get him one in there that it will like.
Stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste erase the pain. It's like candy canes, it makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack, baby.
Well,
These 21 or 24?
I think they're 24. We'll get that. We'll unplug the four-wheel drive shifter. Wire there. Those short, funny bars right there handy. That's the big ones there.
Yeah.
They might work. Let me try it. Y'all welcome back. I hope y'all enjoyed the lengthy commercials we have on YouTube. Bless you.
Loosen it up.
What's that? Yeah, go ahead and loosen it up. Where are the small funny bars at?
I'm in the driver's seat.
I may need a new try. I'm gonna try it right here.
Here, I'm holding this out. You on the same one or the other one?
By the front.
All right.
This can be the fast food portion of the video. So we're unplugging the electrical connectors, getting everything up on top of the stuff we know are coming down. That's the one for reverse. All these push pins. Let's see. That there's for reverse. All them's off. Oh, somebody's already been in here. They broke a clip right there and used a couple zip ties. So they've been around this area we were been in it. Now we need this one here. Let's see, let's take a jack and run it up. Go ahead and run it up.